ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಗೌತಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೈಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಇವತ್ತು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎಸ್ ಕೆ ಲಾಂಡ್ರಿ ಹೌಸ್. ವಿತ್ ಮೀ ಈಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸುರೇಂದ್ರ. ಸರ್, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಯುವರ್ laundry, please explain to us.
Hey, my name is Surendra. My background is basically an electrical side, so I was passionate about doing things. My passion was to start a resort. So once I start the resort and I get it filled up, then I need the linen to be vended out for outsourced for cleaning, washing the linen. And finally, we were doing for a couple of months, and then we were not happy with the cleanliness and hygienic what we are getting. So one of our customer from overseas complained saying that the linen had something, so it has got some scratchy when they slept on that.
Okay.
So on that basis, I googled and found out that GEI Laundry from Bangalore got a very good market. So we went to them, we had a couple of meetings, we had a couple of trials, we sent our linen to them for cleaning purpose.
So many viewers on YouTube today are seeing these videos to understand how feasible a laundry setup would be. Now for a B2B laundry like yours, is it profitable? How's the targets been achieved and everything? We want your opinion on that.
See, looking at the market today, it's really worth in doing this, and it's a profitable business as well. Depending on, see, now what happens is when people are so busy at their work, they don't have time to wash their clothes. They just want to look like feeding, so they can just drop the clothes at the house. We can bring it, wash it, and give them. They will be more happy.
Okay.
Rather than their money spent, the quality is really needed for them. Time to time they need. Like when we go to a hotel, keep it on the table, eat. Same thing happens when they go home, iron, ready, wear it, and because of the time. So it's not too late to